once you spot your change of character here, the next thing is you get your order block. You get your order block, which is this place. This is my order block in order block, so we have to label it so that we'll know it. Each time we'll come back to this chart, we'll identify it. So this is my order block in order block. So if I was in this trade when this movement happened, when this one happened, I would have placed that trade here, would have entered here, and then probably my stop loss would be above 10 pips, 15 pips maximum above this chart. So if you have a small account or you have missed this market, you still want to enter another, you still want to enter again, so you have to go over to 15 minutes this time around. We'll just say this is my first order block, so we'll not take this first one, sorry, we'll not take this first one as our first order block now, our first order block and our analysis charts, our analysis time frame, and then go over to the 15 minutes and take this 15 minutes as our entry time frame. So now we'll spot the change of character. So I can see my change of character happening here. So this is my change of character here. So I will label it so that anywhere I see it or anytime I see it, I'll remember that that is my change of character. So now inside the change of character now, another order block was formed. Another order block was formed, which is this place. So remember, patience is the key. Change of character happened, fine, we'll have to wait until another order block confirmation has been given. You get? So you can zoom this to see. You have to wait until another order block has been given, another liquidity. You see a clear sign of liquidity. So in this place now, you can see a very clear sign of liquidity. You can see double bottom is forming there. So once that order block is being given, you can label it so that you will know that that's order block. So now we have our order block in an order block. Okay, forget about this first one. This first one is nice in case we have missed it, in case we are entering with H1. The second one now is in case we are entering with 15 minutes. So we can now pick our trade here. The process keep continuing. Even if you want to even enter this trade in 1 hour, in 1 minute, you can do it, but I don't advise you to use 1 minute as an entry point. So it depends. If you are scalping, you can also use it too. So this is how an order block works. This is the kind of strategy that should make you that disciplined trader you are thinking of becoming. And if you follow the strategy very well, perfectly, in no time you should be making billions and billions of money. You should be able to pass profit accounts with this strategy. We can do a lot more with this strategy. All right, guys, I have to go. Peace out. Please do well to watch my other videos. Check my playlists on Forex, cryptocurrency, DIY. Watch any of them. And also to please do well to support this channel, because this is the only way. This is the only way you can support this channel. There's a lot of materials I get to make sure I form or I create every video. So if you don't subscribe to my channel, then that means in no time you don't want me to be doing video anymore. All right, the link to my Telegram channel, in case you need a personal one-on-one mentorship or you want to subscribe to my VIP signal, the link is below this video. All right, guys, peace out.